So this is gonna be another video right here. We already got one of these in, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube about how to put these grills in. A lot of people, they pop the hood, they peel off the weather stripping, take out like 8 bolts to the bumper. We didn't do any of that, all right? So the old grills are, all of them are clip style, and you got a bunch of these little clips that you just gotta pull back and they come out. Now I've done this on a lot of E46s and E36s, and it's never that hard. So really, we're gonna show you how to do it the right way.
So Dave's online looking up how to install these kidney grills. And this is for what, 2014 and up?
2014.
Or 2013 and up?
Yeah, I guess F30
so
style.
An F30 style car, you can install these kidney grills without any tools. You don't need any tools, you just kind of need long fingers. Let's do a little comparison. This is the new M3 style dual slot kidney grill for the F30. That's the factory one. Kind of a feel. You go all around, you feel for the clips like there's one right here up top, and you reach in, you pull down on it with your finger. So, for example,
yeah, mine are too short.
You pull down on it, and then if you see, the grill starts to come loose right there. You move to the next one, you bend down on it, and it'll start to come loose. I'm right-handed, so it's a little easier with my right hand. And keep moving along. There's one right here on the end. And now the top is pretty much broken loose. Come over to the side. The side's kind of one of the easier ones, and it helps you get the grill out for the most part. All right, so we got most of the top loose, and it's pulling out. There's this corner one right here that's holding on still. You just reach your fingers in there. You want to keep pressure on the bumper itself too, because if you just pull this, you could break something. So you want to keep pressure on the bumper and on the little tab. Once you get them all kind of bent loose, you can, most of the time, just get them to slide out.
Yeah, there you go.
That one slid back in.
Yeah, sometimes they slide back in, but you just gotta work with it. It's a finagling process.
You want to keep even pressure every time you do it, and always keep outward pressure, otherwise it will pop back in. And that's one of the issues that you'll kind of have to overcome. All right, so once you get them all out, you know, some will be bent a little bit too much. Now that's where you're gonna run into if you pull too hard. You wanna just keep nice even pressure on the entire thing, and it should just pop out as you bend these tabs down. So what you do is you reach your hand in and just do that. You know, just pull it down and it'll get this tab away just enough to get it unclipped. And then you do the same thing here and here, and then on the sides too, you reach in and you just pull away. Same thing on the bottom, you reach down and pull away. What you're gonna have a problem with is this right here. When you come down into the bottom, there's this pad right here, which getting your finger in between sometimes can be painful. Like right here, it's solid. Right here it moves. Right here it moves. But this one's kind of hard because it's kind of solid right there. Other than that, it comes out fairly easily. You grab the new kidney grill.
Just kind of even pressure, make sure all of them lock into place, and you're good to go.
And you know, make sure they're tight, they're not gonna come out, and it's good to go.
Yeah, that's it.
And that looks a lot better, 100 times better than the other grills.